The microwave. A ubiquitous appliance, it sits on our countertops ready to heat our leftovers in an instant. But behind its convenience lies a lingering question. Is it robbing our food of precious nutrients? Join me today as we delve into the heart of this culinary mystery. We'll separate fact from fiction and uncover the truth about microwaves and their impact on our food. For decades, the microwave has been both praised for its speed and scrutinized for its potential drawbacks. Some sing its praises as a time-saving champion, while others whisper concerns about nutrient loss and even health risks. But fear not, intrepid eaters, for we're about to unravel the tangled web of microwave myths and equip you with the knowledge to make informed choices in your own kitchen. So, buckle up as we embark on this culinary adventure. Together, we'll explore the science behind microwave cooking, uncover the truth about nutrient retention, and learn how to harness the power of this everyday appliance without compromising on taste or nutrition. Get ready to become a microwave master. Before we dive into the nutritional nitty-gritty, let's address the elephant in the room: microwave radiation. It's a topic that sparks fear and confusion, often fueled by sensationalized headlines and unfounded claims. But here's the reality. Microwave radiation is a type of electromagnetic radiation. Don't let the word radiation scare you. It simply means energy traveling through space. Visible light, radiation, heat from a campfire, radiation, microwaves, you guessed it. Radiation. The key difference lies in the type and intensity of the radiation. Microwave ovens emit non-ionizing radiation, which means they lack the energy to break chemical bonds or cause damage to our DNA. In simpler terms, they can't give you superpowers and they won't turn your leftovers into radioactive sludge. Of course, as with any appliance, safety is paramount. This means always use microwave-safe containers, avoid overheating, and follow the manufacturer's instructions diligently. And remember that old myth about microwaves leaking radiation? Busted. Modern microwaves are designed with safety features that prevent leaks. So rest assured your microwave is not slowly turning you into a science experiment gone wrong. Just play it safe and cover your foods while heating them in the microwave. Now let's get down to the real question at hand. Does microwaving zap the nutrients out of our food? The answer, like most things in life, is not a simple yes or no. It's a nuanced, it depends. You see, different cooking methods affect nutrients in different ways. Boiling, for instance, can leach water-soluble vitamins like vitamin C and B vitamins into the cooking water, while roasting can cause the breakdown of certain antioxidants. Microwaving, on the other hand, uses a unique heating process that involves exciting water molecules within food. This rapid heating can sometimes lead to less nutrient loss compared to conventional methods, especially for water-soluble vitamins. Why? Because shorter cooking times mean less time for those precious nutrients to escape. Plus, microwaving often requires less added water, further minimizing nutrient leaching. However, it's not all sunshine and nutrient rainbows in the microwave. While some studies have shown microwave cooking to be comparable or even superior to other methods in terms of nutrient retention, others have highlighted potential downsides. For instance, certain vegetables like broccoli may lose some of their vibrant color and crunchy texture when microwaved. This is because the heat can break down cell walls, leading to a softer texture. Section 4. Nutrient case studies, vitamins, minerals, and more. Let's zoom in on specific nutrients and see how they fare in the microwave. First up, vitamin C, that potent antioxidant we all need to boost our immune systems. Studies have shown that microwaving can actually help preserve vitamin C content in some vegetables compared to boiling, which can cause significant losses. This is because the shorter cooking times and reduced water use in microwaving help minimize vitamin C degradation. Next, let's talk about B vitamins, those essential nutrients involved in energy production and cell function. Similar to vitamin C, B vitamins are water-soluble and susceptible to leaching during cooking. However, studies have shown that microwaving can retain a good amount of B vitamins in vegetables, especially when compared to boiling. So, if you're looking to maximize your B vitamin intake, microwaving your veggies might be a good option. What about minerals? Those mighty minerals like iron and calcium are generally more stable than vitamins during cooking. And guess what? Microwaving doesn't seem to have a significant impact on their content in food, so you can microwave your spinach without worrying about losing those vital minerals. Section 5. Microwave mastery tips and tricks for healthy eating. Now that we've demystified the science behind microwave cooking and its impact on nutrients, let's talk strategy. How can you harness the convenience of your microwave while maximizing flavor and preserving those precious nutrients? Fear not, fellow foodies, for I've got you covered. First and foremost, choose the right cookware. Opt for microwave-safe containers made from glass, ceramic, or microwave-safe plastic. Avoid using plastic wrap, as it can melt and leach harmful chemicals into your food. And please, for the love of all things culinary, ditch those old, scratched-up plastic containers. They're a breeding ground for bacteria and can release harmful compounds when heated. Next, embrace the power of steam. Adding a splash of water to your food or covering it with a damp paper towel can create a steamy sauna inside your microwave, helping to cook food evenly and retain moisture. This is especially helpful for vegetables, as it helps preserve their vibrant color, crisp texture, and nutritional value. And remember, timing is everything. Avoid overcooking your food, as this can lead to nutrient loss and a less than appetizing texture. Start with shorter cooking times and check for doneness frequently. You can always add more time if needed, but you can't unnuke your food once it's overcooked. Thank you so much for watching this video. Support my channel by liking the video and subscribing for more healthy tips.